Take a look at this 1979 Lincoln Continental Town Car. Nice looking sedan. Of course, a 400 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with the automatic transmission, and nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome on the front. Believed to be original miles in this car, a little over 36,000 on it. So the filler panels, good shape. Now it's black, of course, and black with a little bit of age or driving is going to show imperfections here and there. But as you can see, it does have a nice shine to it. But there will be some imperfections in the black paint, maybe where it's been touched up previously. It appears to be well taken care of. Vehicle interior also in nice shape. And we're going to check out the interior underneath the hood, the trunk. But if you want to take your time and look through the still pictures of this car, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to where you can see those pictures at. And if you got any questions on it, give our sales reps a call, 507-386-1726. In with the still pictures, you're going to see original owner's manual. There is a build sheet, the buck tag, the door tag, so there's all kinds of information on how this vehicle was produced. In with the still pictures, there you go, red interior, cloth interior. As you can see, you also see a hand held for a Citizens band radio on there with a microphone part of it. This vehicle actually equipped with a AM/FM 8-track tape player, as well as a CB radio, and you notice that on the antenna too, as far as the CB part of it goes. That is a power antenna, and it does work. After I show you the inside, the radio working, we'll run that down too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There you can get an idea. Nice reflection coming off that paint. So it does show well, but we'll have its imperfections being black. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see the car is nice and straight. Let's take a peek down the driver's side of it here. We'll fire it up, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay. Door panels, of course, being a Lincoln. Even if it is a 79, a lot of options as far as power windows, power locks, excuse me. And of course, cruise control, tilt. Wipers do work on this one, as well as the radio. Only thing I noticed that was not working was the clock. So let's go ahead and fire it up. So easily it starts. Tune in a station here. Sure that the radio is working. There you go. And power antenna switch here. We're going to run that down. So when we get out, I'll show you that it is working. CB radio. Take a look at the top of the dash. One little blemish here I noticed, but otherwise fine shape. Also, I was going to show you this. Powered up the CB, so it'd be your channel that you're on right there. The handheld unit. Believed to be original miles, 36,648. Judging by this interior, would not surprise me at all. Take a look at the headliner. Good shape. But yeah, when I was talking about the interior, look at these seats. Very nice condition. Take a look. Alright, let's do this too. Let's pop the hood. Flip around to the back so you can hear it run. Sounds like you'd expect. When you're in the car, you can't even hear it running. Very smooth running V8 underneath the hood. Alright, let me slip up here. I think I might be able to open this one-handed here. Take a look at the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Pretty stock looking engine bay, which you'd expect on a 79 Lincoln Continental Town Car. So once again, any questions, call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Click on that link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.